It's no secret, I'm thinning in all the wrong places. Sad sound. But what's even worse is I'm getting hairier everywhere else except my head. So the real question is, to pick or not to pick? This is the hot topic. Makes thin hair super thick. Honestly, this has just changed my life. Let's quickly unbox it. I've gone for the dark brown. That closely resembles my natural hair colour. I'm actually more of an ash blonde. Let's apply Toppik. It's like heaven. Just relax, it's not that difficult. You kind of learn the knack eventually. Try not to get it in your eyes. Use on dry hair. So I use my hand and I just kind of start to shake. Shake it on, shake it on. And I'm back in the room. Look at that, look at it. Evidently putting your hand there across whilst you're shaking the fibers is a pretty good idea because look at the mess. Look at the mess. But you know what? My hair's looking fuller and I'm feeling confident already. I feel like I can just go out and conquer the world now. Once you've applied the hair fibers to your hair, just gently pat. Don't be like me where I used a comb because that made me look even worse. Beware, this can get extremely messy. So when you're creating the hairline, whether you want it straight or a little bit more rough around the edges, it's entirely up to you. There is a special tool you can buy that really gives you a nice, even hairline. Always keep this upright. I cannot stress this enough. I paid £15 for this 25 gram pot, which hopefully should last at least a month. I mean, my thinning is quite bad, so I have to do it every time I leave the house now. Even if I just go to the corner shop, I'm like, I ain't gonna be seen with thinning hair. I'm not gonna be walking down my bloody high street, or like Patchy McGee. There is also a hairspray that you can buy directly on their website. I'll leave the link in the description. That's just to hold the hair fibers in place. I know that my hair is false because I do it every day or every time I need to leave the house. But genuinely, would you look at me and go, he's got fake hair? I kind of hope you're all going to say no, but let's try something fun here. Does it look like I have fake hair in? Yes or no? Place some comments below if you believe that my hair looks like it's real or looks like this hair. If it doesn't, just put your opinion out there. I can't wait to see what everyone thinks. If you're also interested, up here in the top corner, I did another review of a hair thickening product that was made by Maine Hair Thickening Spray. That was good for 3 years ago when I had less coverage to do, but I've found over the last couple of months using Maine has become a little bit more difficult in getting the coverage I need, which is why I've now gone to Toppik Hair Thickening Fibers. You definitely start realizing that you are aging rapidly when every morning you wake up and just a little bit more hair is gone. I wish I'd really appreciated what I had. When I was 20, I would always shave my hair off. I never liked having hair. I found it irritating. I didn't want it there, but now it's going. Probably like 5 strands a day are disappearing. And now I'm like, please come back hair, I loved you, I missed you. And the hair's like, piss off. Up until the point I can no longer hide the fact that I'm losing my hair, I will continue to use this system. Down the line, toupees, tattooed hairlines, who knows? It's all about having the money though, and speaking to the right people. There's obviously plenty of people that do plenty of things. I would like to get it done properly, I'd like to get it done right. So in the interim, the way I'm doing things now works for me, and I hope if you decide to use this system, that you get a lot of satisfaction from it too. If you've gained anything from this video, if you've liked this video, please like, and also consider subscribing to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye! It does also resemble Peppa. Peppa Pig! For external use only, so any kinky people out there, don't do it. This says fibre and I'm about to put it in my hair. I was always told that I should be eating more fibre so I don't get constipated.